A very important result. Okay, the result is for vector product expressed as a determinant. Now what we are going to do, what we are going to learn, just check it now. Let vector A is equal to a1 I cap plus a2 j cap plus a3 k cap, and vector B is equal to b1 I cap plus b2 j cap plus b3 k cap. Now we want A cross B. Vector A cross vector B is equal to, now what we can write it? We can write it as a1 I cap plus a2 j cap plus a3 k cap b1 I cap b2 j cap plus b3 k cap. Now this is a1 b1 I cross I plus a1 b2 I cross j I cap, sorry, plus a1 b3 I cap cross k cap plus a2 b1 with j cap cross I cap plus a2 b2 with j cap cross k cap plus a3 sorry plus a2 b3 with j cap cross k cap now a3 b1 with k cap cross I cap plus a3 b2 with k cap cross j cap plus a3 b3 with k cap cross k cap. Okay, now using results of cross product, vector cross product, using results of vector cross product of orthonormal vectors, sorry, orthonormal triad of unit vectors I, j and k. Now what we did there? We were having, if we are taking like this I, j and k, then what the result was? Is equal to j cross j is equal to k cross k is equal to 0, and then sorry I with j cross, this was k, j cross k was I cap and k cross I was j cap, and then j cap I cap with cross, this was negative of k cross, I cap cross j cap negative of j cap, and k cap cross j cap negative of I cap. Now putting all these values, what we are getting it? We got it vector A cross vector B is equal to a2 b3 minus a3 b2 with I cap plus A3 B1 minus A1 B3 with J cap plus A1 B2 minus A2 B1 with K cap. Now I am writing this in the magic form. Now let's do a magic. For A cross B, if I am writing like this, I, J and K cap, I cap, sorry, J cap, K cap, A1, A2, A3, then B1, B2, B3. Now I have written the determinant form. This is the determinant form. Okay, I have written in the determinant form and now I have to solve it. Now what the result will be? The result will be exactly this one. It is, now result will be I cap with A2 B3 minus B2 A3, negative of J cap, A1 B3 minus B1 A3 plus positive of K cap, A1 B2 minus B1 A2. Is it clear? So this one and this one, these are exactly the same things. If just we have to alter this one, then J will be negative. Okay. So vector product expressed as a determinant. So the vector cross product we can express when we have to evaluate. We can evaluate by the determinant.